Alright, for the 3/8 side, for some dumb reason, crap is standard size. You need a 9/16 and a 5/8. Let me make sure. Yep. I'm just checking, make sure all the guts are together on that. Alright. Let's lock it in, I guess. I hope. That better not have been... Crap, that might have been 5/16. I think that ends 5/16. Well, that just sucked. Alright, be back in a few. What's happening, guys? Well, the Uptown has no parts. So, what we're going to do is try to reuse this one. The inner guts is still there. If it starts leaking and leaks, I'll fix it down the road. What we're going to do is figure out right about here. Cut off the metal line. Don't throw it away. Don't throw it just yet. I need this piece that cut. What we need to know, always give yourself a little extra for give. Okay. That's somewhat how it used to be. We're going to barb it here. So, what we want to do, I need to get alright, give me a minute. Alright, I went underneath the van and looked. So what I need is the exact same length as this, pretty much. Yep, pretty much. So, alright. And I believe this is, yep. Okay, that's the barb for that. This I don't need. I could get out of the garage. That I need. What, baby? That. Okay. So this is going to get a little dicey. Well, hopefully don't get on fire, guys. This got fuel. This has fuel vapors inside, so we'll find out if this is going to get dicey. Oh, I'm still alive. Alright, there you go. One rigged up fuel line. Got the compressor fitting on. Let's go underneath and make sure it's going to work before I tighten it. Alright folks, let's see if this is going to actually work out. Okay, that goes like that, and that go up into like that. That'll work. Okay, that's one rig fuel line. Alright, now I just need to find a tool thing, and I'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, okay, let me make sure. Okay. Alright, that should be it. Okay. Now I gotta see if one of these connectors fit in this. Let's get her hooked up into there. Okay, she's hooked, secured, she's hooked. That'd be okay. Fuel lines are done. Yep, fuel lines are done, guys. Okay. Alright. Let's go plug in the fuse. Alright guys, let's plug in the fuse. Okay, got the fuse in. I'm not planning on starting it right away. I got the fuse in. Gonna do this all live. Okay, let's put you guys down. Yell at me if you see fuel spray off from under the van. You guys see any fuel spraying? I smell gas. I smell gas. And I see it right where it's leaking at. Oh God. Doorman. Leaking right there. You guys see it now? Yeah, what it is? Freaking doorman. Never fails. Alright, let me figure this out. Alright guys, I fixed the problem. Alright. Let me get some light on this situation. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see my beautiful bend that I did. Well, I had to destroy it. Oh, there it is. Steel to nylon compression fitting. So let's see if that sucker leaks or not. Zoom you guys out a little bit so you guys see what. Let's see if the old lady leaks. I don't hear nothing. Alright, let's start it then. That ain't cool. Sucker just spraying out. I wonder if that... It's got to be that upper line spraying at me. That return. It's got to be that return spraying back. Got to be that return line spraying at me. Got a pin over the line. Oh, the POS. Alright, we'll back on that later. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see it, but I got the patch put in there. So, it does run. It's been quite a few weeks since I got it running. No fuel leaks or anything. I put, well, it's been longer than that. It's been about a month. Yeah, it runs. So totally, it's got 200. Between my dad and I, we put 224 plus another 50 on top of that. So the odometer reading is 157,686. She went it back on the road with 157,406 on it. That ain't bad. Alright, catch you guys later then. This series is done.